It's very cold. It's very, very cold. I have bought myself an electric flat top grill. Flat top grill. And it's huge. And it's very heavy. Now this is going to go with my outdoor kitchen setup, which is this thing behind. Got my barbecue. I've got a little trolley deep fat fryer on top of that. 72 centimetre flat top grill is going to go on top on the right hand side there. So let's get this thing open. It's a big old box. Right, let's have a look inside. It's got a plug. I've seen a couple of videos, American videos, where people bought these sort of electric grills and they had to put their own plug on it, but this has got plug, so that's good. So I don't have to worry about that. Okay. Now it does say in the description of the ad, the eBay ad, that sometimes the grill tops can be rusty when they get to you. That is because of the moisture in the shipping. It's all very funny language because it's all converted from Chinese into English. But it looks pretty good. I think there should be like a, maybe there's a little bit of oil, a little bit of an oil film to the top there, but it looks pretty cool. We got some feet over there, got a screw on. Get this last bit of polystyrene. Yeah, it's a big old box and it's quite heavy, so there's a lot of manhandling to get it into the house and get it out here for me to unbox. So I'm glad of the seems like the adequate packaging. 4 feet. Let's take them to one side. Okay. Right, let's try and get this out of the box. Now, do I tip it? Do I just try and lift it out? Maybe if I try and tip the whole box towards me, and then it will fall out. Oh, it's a monster. It's 72 centimetres across. I'll have to work out what that is in inches. Oh. Fingers. Oh, that was the grease trap tray that fell out. Let's get the feet on it before I do anything else. And they just screw in the bottom. I did watch another video on YouTube where someone had to make their own holes. They had to drill their own, or the holes didn't line up with the bottom plate of this, and they had to drill some holes through that. I don't know. Okay. There we go. Yes, it's got some oil, a bit of oil on the top there. Not too much, but I have to wash that off, soapy water. EG electric griddle series are made by absorbing advantages from foreign products. Okay, it owns a new style, a reasonable construction and convenient operation. There is a single page instructions, just one A4 sheet. Warn, must read. There's anti-rust oil on the cooking plate to prevent it get rusted. Please wash it with water and clean essence before use. Please keep 100% dry and brush cooking oil to prevent cooking plate get rusted. Right, when you finish cleaning, please turn to the power of the grill. Let the heat dry and cook plate to 100% dry. When you finish cleaning the grill, please dry and cooking plate with towel and brush with oil. Okay, so it's talking about seasoning of the top surface, the grill surface, so it can save electricity and make temperatures even. So it is suitable for hotels, supermarkets, and other public, and so on. Bloody pigeons going at it. Okay, so it's all in centigrade, I think, all the controls. We've got 2 elements from, I believe I read it went from 50 to 300 Celsius. We've got a power light, we've got a hot plate warning lights. I guess the on-off is just the is from there to there, yeah. Oh, there's no actual switch anywhere to off and on. So we've got a grease collection tray, and there's a nice wide sort of trough at the bottom here to push all your mess and nastiness in that hole there. We've got an 8mm thick top plate. Sounds cool. Actually, that's paper. I just realised there's that's the grease under there. So it's like okay, yeah. So that isn't the colour of it, that's paper. Just noticed that in the corner, all sort of bunched up. Right, so we'll take that off, clean it, and get it going. But there you go. We've got no name on it. I did read a name on the eBay listing, and it just was Chinese characters. So yeah, this is a bit bubbly here. Doesn't want to stick down. Oh, it's gone now. I've managed to get the air bubbles out. Okay, that is unboxing a flat top griddle, 72 centimetres across. I think it's about 400mm or 40 centimetres deep, 28 centimetres high, I think. Anyway, we'll get that set up in place, and I'll be back with a seasoning video. Okay, bye for now. I'll let you know how we get on.